നമസ്കാരം. ആർയോ വൈദ്യ എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് സംസാരിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് പ്രകൃതി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കിനെ പറ്റിയാണ്. പ്രകൃതി ആയുർവേദത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ടോപ്പിക്കാണ്. ഒരു ക്ലിനിക്കൽ ഡയഗ്നോസിസ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ഒരാളുടെ പ്രകൃതി നമ്മൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. പല ആളുകൾക്കും പല ടൈപ്പിലുള്ള പ്രകൃതിയാണ്. 3 ടൈപ്പ് പ്രകൃതിയാണ് പറഞ്ഞേക്കുന്നത്: വാത, പിത്ത, കഫ. ആ 3 പ്രകൃതിയിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന ക്യാരക്ടറിസ്റ്റിക് ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് അഥവാ ലക്ഷണങ്ങളെ പറ്റി പറയാനാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ വിഷയം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ ടോപ്പിക്. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലോട്ട് പോവാം. Hello friends, today we are going to deal with the topic Prakriti. So let's start with Vada Prakriti. In Vada Prakriti person, what and all things we can see our modern interpretation about the Vada Prakriti person. First we move on to the physical features. Physical features refers to the person which we will see outside. From external appearance, what and all features we can visualize. First we move on to his hair. Hair is brown colored, dry, damaged hair, may contain dandruff and lysis. And height, if the height of the person, if we look 5.6 feet in India, that is more than the average height. And build, he is thin, less fat and muscles. Pindia outwards than the usual. Skin is rough and dry, cracked hands and legs, sound while moving from joints, very small teeth, big nails, stiff body parts. He have a stiff body parts, less fat and muscles, which will lead to the veins visible clearly. We can see his veins clearly. Beauty, not beautiful. He is unpleasant to see. Skin tone, brownish or black. The tone of skin is brownish or black. Now we move on to the mental features. His thinking will be negative. Unstable thinking changes decision soon. He has no a stable decision, no ideal thinking, and he never believes in God. Negative thinking leads to his jealousy. And sleep, he has a less than average and usual sleep because of the Rajoguna. Now we move on to the nature of a Vada Prakriti person. Bad habits, eating or breaking nails with a mouth. He will eat all time these nails with his mouth. Eyes open while sleeping. While he was sleeping, his eyes will be open. Habits, talkative and taking unrelated to topics. He will take something regarding unrelated to topics. Speaking with the pause or slutterness. He will speak with pause and slutterness. Sounds unpleasant like fata kas ka patra, fearful. And he can walk for a long journey. Feels happy when body parts are pressed. He feels happy. Patience, less patient, proactive, start work instantly without planning, founds later in problem and regret soon. Friends more in number. He have more number of friends, but no stable friends too, because finds themselves alone. He has no stable friends, soon finds themselves alone. An effect of motivation, he can do things with motivation from others. He get motivation from inspirational persons. Interest, singing and dancing. Food interest, sweet, sour, salty, hot, and he have lack of digestive power, usually non-veg. Eating capacity, unusual, that is he sometimes eat more, sometimes less, usually more. Pain endurance is less, physical strength is less, and mental strength is also less. Mental abilities, remembrance or capacity, his brain capacity is less, and understanding power or capacity is more. Self-control capacity is fastly aggressive and he becomes fastly angry. Immunity is weak, more often caused with diseases. Dreams, flying, mountains, camel ride, these are all things which he will see in dreams. Animal comparison, sheep, rabbit, dog, pig, crow, jackal. Even Chinese astrology believes in human and animal spirits. Their comparison is based on the month and zodiac sign they are born. Future predictions, usually they have less money, due to which they can become thief. They are actually thief. Less libido, they are less libido, less children, less relationship. So these are things which deals with the Vada Prakriti person. Now we move on to the Pitta Prakriti person. His hair will be red or greyish color, that is a mixture of black and white. Early ripening of hairs, that is Palitya, or white hairs at an early age. Baldness in some part or completely. Less dense, the hairs are less dense. Skin, fair tone, that is white or yellowish. Hot in touch. Skin gets red in sunlight. More often to get skin disorders, that is pimples, black patches, aging of skin. Not loved by girls. Girls do not love Pitta Prakriti person. Built like a prince or princess. She should be built like princess. Habitat, commonly found on poles or mountains and cold places. Interest, makeup and cosmetics. Nature of Pitta Prakriti अथवा Paithika Prakriti person. Cold loving, unable to tolerate heat, person has a good image as well as nature, fastly becomes angry and calm to, aggressive type of aggressive person and cool type for cool person. Speak everything in heart. He will speak everything in heart. Eats and drinks too often. Urine output and stool output are more often. Loves praises, admire someone's praise. Loves childlike nature. And appearance is built, well built. He is well built. Large number of sweat glands. Because of that he is sweating. Unpleasant odor from the body. Small eyes. He has yellowish red colored eyes. Small eyebrows. Have problems while running. Weak senses. Early loss of power and great wrinkles. Strength physical is medium. Strength mental is high. And powerful. He can't overpowered in fight. Special abilities. He can help even enemy in problem if asked for help. If a fight, then fight still lasts, but never backs down from anyone's challenge and strong enough to bear the pain. Treats person like his own child if asked to help. Dreams, wealth or gold. Plants with flowers. Thunder, fire. Comparison of qualities with animals. Snake, owl, cat, monkey, lion. Even Chinese astrology believes in animals' spirits according to the zodiac sign and month born. Now we start to deal with the food with related to Pitta. Eating interest, sweety, salty and pungent. Ice cream and cold foods. Doesn't eat the sour foods. The digestive power is high and eating capacity is also high due to the Tishna Agni. These much things we have dealt with the Paithika Prakriti person or Pitta person. Now we move on to the Kapha Prakriti person. Hair is black colored. Hair is strong, long, shiny. Skin is greenish, white or black. Habitat, equator or tropics. Hot loving. Build, white colored eyes, red colored eyes, that is bald region. Long arms, wide forehead, chubby or healthy. Joints covered with mass or fat. Veins aren't properly visible. Long nails. And the habits are lazy, sleeps a lot, always listen to the elders, always remember what good is done by someone for them, always truth speaking, good with words, that is they will speak less but is meaningful, always speak with love, gives 100% to work they do, works with proper planning, can carry hidden rivalry for years, tends to go to gym and exercise, loves singing and dancing, sleeping habits, sleep less due to sattva guna but lazy. They are lazy due to the sattva guna. Eating habits, loves eating sweets, eats less, spicy and pungent food doesn't affect their body. Spicy and pungent food doesn't affect their body. Strength physical, that is physical strength is strong. Mental strength, that is remembrance strong, understanding is late, effect of mental torture is less, and effect of physical torture is also less. immunity is strong, less often caused with diseases, identification as child, cries less and calm, friends are stable, makes friends with a deep understanding and bond sharing, or once a friend, always a friend. He will have a friend, always the same friend. Dreams, swans with lotus, water resources. He related the water resources. Comparison of qualities with animals, lion, bull, elephant. Even Chinese astrology believes in animal spirits according to the zodiac sign and month born. And the future predictions are wealthy person, has a lot of workers, has a lot of child. So today's section has ended here. Thank you.
ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് ഡു ലൈക്ക്, ഷെയർ, കമന്റ് ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്.